Hello, it's Christian with Mate. Starting out with HomeKit can be a little intimidating. Let's walk through the first steps together. Open the Home app. You'll be greeted with a short explanation of some of HomeKit's best features. Select Get Started. The first thing you need to do is add an accessory. I'm going to start with an Apple Airport Express that we can use with AirPlay 2. Select Add Accessory. Some HomeKit products have a code you can scan or manually enter. The piece we're adding does not have a code, so I'm going to select Don't Have a Code. The Onyx Express has been discovered, so I'm going to select it. After it is successfully added, I'm going to assign it to a room. Just to show you the process, I'll add a room called Living Room. Save, then select Done, and your HomeKit home is ready to continue adding rooms and devices. We'll cover the process of adding the different types of devices in other videos. Thanks, and have a great day. Check the description for links to products to take your HomeKit to the next level.